What's up guys, Fix Alex here again. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove radio on this 2019 Honda CRV. And the only tools that we're gonna use today is Phillips head screwdriver, and also we're gonna remove the climate control panel. So, and that's what we're gonna start from. Very gently wiggle it to the sides, try to pull it. There is few clips on the back of that panel, so remove connector gently by pressing that pin over here, and on the bottom you're gonna see two Phillips head screws, one and two in that hole. So remove those two screws just like that. Be careful, don't drop your bolts, because I almost dropped it. Yeah, so remove those two bolts, and that's it guys, you're ready to go to remove your panel. I'm gonna remove my bolt. Okay, now gently pull the radio towards you. There is few more clips, just like that, and that's it. There is few connectors on the back of your radio, so remove them. Remove all of those connectors by pressing those little pins and the ground wire, and that's it. That's how you're removing your radio. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it, please subscribe to my channel, and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you, bye.